Hey, how's it going? It's Keith Townsend, principal of the CTO Advisor. You know what? Tech Field Day, Cloud Field Day 13 was, I think, the start of the dominoes falling for cloud managed control plane. What do I mean by cloud managed control plane? AWS architect asked me this very question when I mentioned it on Twitter. I have this premise that over the coming years, as enterprises have to deal with complex environments where we have things in the public cloud, our on-prem data center needs, as well as that kind of looks like a happy face, along with the edge. I don't even know how to draw the edge yet. There'll be this increasing need to manage this with a single control plane. Pure Storage, I think, manifested the perfect example of what happens when you have a managed service provider, a large enterprise with hundreds of their FlashBlade storage systems, and you need to manage a consistent configuration across all those systems. How do you do that? Well, today you would install a server and manage each one of those systems with a centralized configuration. The amount of overhead is tremendous. One, the interface usually isn't that good. And two, the amount of administrative muscle needed to do that takes away from doing interesting things in the public cloud and delivering differentiated services. VMware is headed towards this type of capability. We've talked about it with Kubernetes and solutions like Google Anthos and Tanzu. But I think what's more interesting about the FlashBlade control plane in the public cloud is that we're getting more towards what the network folks have been doing with SD-WAN, where we're pushing out the intelligence of the managed endpoints into the public cloud. We use that to configure our data center and edge assets without the overhead of actually running it. VMware does it with VMware vRealize Suite in the public cloud, cloud health components. We're seeing this again over and over again, this theme that these data center components are being delivered as a service, SaaS, as you migrate your operating model from a on-premises based model to a hybrid infrastructure model. I'd love to hear what you think. Are you seeing, and more importantly, implementing these types of techniques to reduce your overhead for managing your enterprise data center or hybrid infrastructure? DM me on Twitter. DM are open, or you can follow me on the web. TheCTOadvisor.com is the website. Talk to you next CTO Dose.